I'm Thomas Brewer. I'm a PhD chemist, and I specialize in a technique known as nutritional blood microscopy, biohacking, and longevity. So what I do is I take a drop of blood from your fingertip. There's a few people in this room that can attest to that. Because they, all the hands go up.
There's a lot of us.
And what I'm looking for is first if you're oxidizing cholesterol to plaque or if you're oxidizing uric acid to uric acid crystals. But I'm also looking at whether you have yeast, fungus, or parasitic bacteria in your blood. I go through what you need to do to eliminate that, and that's why I do follow-up testing. I'm looking at the white blood cells. I'm not counting them from a standard venal blood draw, which you have to do every year. This is completely supplemental. There is no overlap. But between the two tests, you have a clear picture about your true health. But with the white blood cells, we want them to be large, which equals strength. We want them to be moving, which equals activity. So a strong and active immune system. With the white or with the red blood cells, I'm looking at their shape and morphology. If they're oval shaped, you have either hormonal imbalance or you're not absorbing B vitamins. If the red blood cells are of different sizes, some are small and some are large, definitely B vitamin deficiency. You're not absorbing vitamins B12 and vitamins B9. If the edge is puckered, then you're breathing some toxin, some fume, some odor, some scent that is oxidizing the red blood cell membrane. But during a standard blood test, that red blood cell shows up as a perfectly good red cell because it just got counted. Okay? Sometimes the red cells will also have little triangular points, which indicate some liver stress. Also within the plasma, you may have fat particles known as chylus, so that just means you're not digesting fats well. Typically starts in the liver or the gallbladder, right? So a lot of information, it's very customized, it's all done in real time. You know exactly what's going on when you leave, and I tell you what you need to do, all right? I giving all the biohackers $100 off, so if you're interested,
You know me, you got $100 off. So one time it's really good to know me. Or sometimes he charges you extra because you know me. I don't know.